Susie decided to be for swim right there. Alright, Susie. Okay. Just that. Ladies and gentlemen, let's do a big round of applause to Susie, your American War Eagle.
How did you hear that?
Yes, I do, Nina. It's a very convenient call. Oh, look up there! That's Nelson, a white man Eagle. They can be found in Southeast Asia, and one of the few raptors is called right here in Singapore.
Now, white-bellied seagulls have rough undersides on their talons, which have them grip onto slippery and struggling prey, like fish or even snakes. And in fact, they specialize in catching venomous sea snakes.
So today we are going to do a demonstration, and I have with me the raptor that she's taking the toss into the pond. Let's see Nelson make an attempt to snatch it for the surface of the water. Alright, he's going to join his crew right up. Nelson, are you ready for this? Alright, the audience are ready. So Nelson, oh, here it comes! And... oh!
Now, I know that's pretty quick, and some of you might not have caught that, but don't worry. Just take a look at the screen. We have a close-up. Look at that powerful grip. Let's give that a big round of applause.
Excellent display by Nelson is exactly why the white man is still one of my favorite birds of prey.
But that's not the only bird of prey you can spot in Singapore. There's also the Brahminy kite. So let's say hello to Sapphire. Look at that now. The Sapphire is a medium-sized raptor, but don't let her size fool you. She can still prey on birds as big as Nelson, the white-bellied seagull.
And in fact, you're walking around our parks in Mandalay, you remember to look up. You might be able to spot lions, white-bellied seagulls, or even the brownie kites circling around. And this is how they look like in the sky. Now on the left is the white-bellied seagull, and to the right, the brownie kite. It's easy to spot the differences between these two birds. The size is the obvious difference. There is also the coloration and the shape of your wings. Now, for example, the white-bellied sea eagle has a V-shaped wing with a wedge-shaped tail.
While Brahminy kites like Sapphire here have M-shaped wings and a U-shaped tail. They're also much more brownish in color. So with that, I think Sapphire has done a wonderful job, and it's time for her to head back home. Beautiful. Let's give her a big hand.
Ladies and gentlemen, each year, 2 million raptors migrate during the winter from their breeding grounds, Europe and Asia, flying to as far as Africa. It is a perilous journey, and thousands never make it to their destination.
Around the world are being killed for sport. So we need your help to protect and save our birds. For our skies will soon be empty.
Lina, do you agree that birds of prey are important to us?
That's right, they are. They are vital to the health of our planet.
Exactly. They have to take care of all and sick animals and even get rid of pests. Now, one bird in particular helps us with pest control. That bird is none other than the owl. And the rodents that they hunt never hear them coming. Because owls are masters of so everyone, allow me to introduce to you our lovely owls on stage. We have Latte and Maya, Malayan fish owls. Another local species.
Now, Shallow, you mentioned something about silent flight.
Yes, I did.
It's possible it's because owls have soft edges and a tip of their feathers, which helps them prepare turbulence and reduces noise, making their flight as quiet as a whisper. They also have excellent eyesight and binocular vision, just like us.
The colors of their eyes tell us when they tend to hunt. The owls with yellow colored eyes tend to hunt during the day. Orange eyes, they like to hunt sunrise and sunset. The owls with black colored eyes, they learn to hunt during the night. And with that, as one last look of lovely owls, and they head back in to everyone. Let's give it up for Latif and Maya along with the traders.
Now you've seen some impressive flight maneuvers from our American bald eagle to our white-bellied sea eagle and even our Brahminy kite. But did you know that some birds of prey prefer to take a stroll instead of flying? So Shalom has set up the stage for our next predator, who looks like a falcon with sharp beak and talons, but behaves like a vulture and will feed on carcasses. So everyone, from the South and Central America, let's welcome Raul, our southern president, Now this is an unusual bird of prey. He uses his long legs to walk around and forage the ground skillfully.
Making use of their long limbs, these birds are able to roll over the rocks, to roll on the tree bark, and even to decide their tubes in search of the worms hiding underneath. And not only that, they are able to bring nest and even steal food from other birds as well. Now, being an opportunistic scavenger, it is a common sight to see some predators come across among other scavengers feeding on a huge carcass just like this. Now, if the insect they decide to chase, takes off and fly away. Well, these birds are known to make vertical flights into the air and to just like this. Now, alright, let's try higher, shall we? Here we go! Awesome!
Okay, but he can fly higher than that.
Higher, so you show us then.
Alright, Raul, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna stand here. You're gonna stand there. And
Whoa! That's amazing!
Alright, Raul, you've done a wonderful job. It's time for you to head back home. And home is right over there. Alright, everyone, let's say goodbye to Raul. Now, southern crested caracaras aren't strong enough to open large carcasses like that one. They need some bird friends to do the hard work first. Friends like
Vultures!
That's right. But vultures are widely misunderstood birds. When you see them on TV, they are portrayed as evil, circling around the skies with ominous music and the sense of impending doom. But we are here to tell you the real story.
The vultures are nature's clean up crew. They use pollen to prepare to fly and glide as they search for dead animals using their sense of sight and smell. The vultures help to prevent the spread of contagious diseases.
So with that, let's meet our very first vulture, Zena, the turkey vulture. So this bird comes from the Americas and are one of the few with a highly good sense of smell.
The vaccines and parents of dead animals, the two vultures are the first ones on the scene. The other vultures move closely keeping the hardcore, which is ripping apart the top line of the dead animal.
Now another fun fact about turkey of chaos. A bunch of greedy birds competing and stripping a large carcass down to its bones.
But vultures are social species, and they respect the place in the pecking order. When vultures gather, there is a feeding protocol.
So let's meet our very next guest at the feast, our African white-backed vulture. Now these birds are the middleweight who eat the flesh and organs of the carcass. Once the carcass is found, they will wait nearby before beginning to feed. But once they get going, about 100 birds together for the meal to strip a large carcass down to its bones in less than a few minutes. Now, once widely found in Africa, these birds are now critically endangered.
Ooh, Lina, don't you have one of these guys to go up on stage?
That's right, and that is our marvelous start from Africa. Now these birds have dagger-like beaks, and when you look closely, you can discern a little bit, right?
And these scavengers are able to cooperate and coexist with the vultures during the big feast. So, ladies and gentlemen, 11 species of vultures in Africa clean up 70% of the continent's area. So we would all be in a lot of trouble without vultures.
That's my child, because around the world, there are losing these amazing birds for many reasons. Poison carcasses, deforestation, electrocution, and even superstitious beliefs. Now the only way to save these birds from going extinct is through conservation efforts. So everyone, let's take a moment and give a big round of applause to these amazing birds who keep our environment safe.
But today, you met raptors and scavengers. These kings of the skies and waters of our earth are a part of our ecosystem, part of our planet. And if we lose them, we lose a part of our family.
So everyone, thank you for coming down today, and let's do our part to live in harmony with all. Predators onward!
Once again for coming down to our presentation, and now allow me to show you our next program happening right here at Sky Amphitheater. Now if you're keen to watch Harpoons, macaws, or even parrots in action, a totally different show, well, do hit back here for the Wings of the World happening at 12:30 p.m. Right, so don't miss that, Wings of the World happening right here at 12:30 p.m. So ladies and gentlemen, we have a great audience. I hope you enjoy your day right here in Good Paradise. Thank you and goodbye.